Recipes. I am Kevin, and today we're going to try to do some corn dogs, and I'm going to do them on the side burner of my Blackstone Griddle. That side burner that I added, I'll leave a video link at the end that you can go check it out if you haven't seen it. Anyway, let's go inside, we'll get it all prepared, we'll come out, and we'll get this cook going. It should be fairly quick. Okay, for the batter, we've got some cornmeal, some flour, hatch green chilies, an egg, salt, cream style corn, honey, and sugar. And I left out the baking powder. Anyway, so a cup of cornmeal, a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of regular sugar, 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey, just like that. Okay, there's our baking powder. You're going to get 2 teaspoons of baking powder. There's 1 and 2. Then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then I'm going to add about 1/3 of a can to half a can of cream style corn. You can add as much or as little as you want. Half a cup of hatch green chilies. Going to get that mixed up. It's a little thick, so you're going to add some milk. I'm only going to add about 1/4 cup at a time. You can add buttermilk if you want. That would be great. So I've got about half a cup in right now. You just want to get your batter mixed up. It needs to be a little thick, but not too thick. So I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon more of milk, and that should do it. Get it mixed up well. And then you want to get a tall glass so you can dip your hot dogs in. So you add your batter to the glass. It just makes it way easier to get them coated. And today I'm using these really large all beef franks. And what you want to do with these, any hot dog that you get, instead of having to put flour on them for the batter to stick, just get them nice and dry. And then I'm going to insert the, we have stir sticks. You can have popsicle sticks or any kind of stick to stick inside these hot dogs. Anyway, so just get the stick inside of all of the hot dogs, just like this. Again, keep them nice and dry. And then what I'm also going to do today is some potatoes. I don't even know what to call them, spiral fries, something. I'm going to deep fry the peel and potato, and I'm going to use my Rotato Potato peeler. Just turn it on. This is how it works. And let's speed this up. Okay, you can use this Rotato Potato peeler for cucumbers, carrots, probably an apple. I haven't tried it. Anyway, I'm just going to keep spinning it down and down. And I will have a link for this down below from Amazon. And there we are towards the end. And that's what I got left. Now you just want to rinse your potatoes and let them sit and dry them off for at least a couple hours. You want them real dry. Cross your fingers. I'm going to take our hot dog. We're going to dip it all the way into our batter. I was afraid I might have that too full. Okay, you want to make sure you get it all the way around that hot dog. Okay, now this has that corn and green chili and everything, so we'll see if it works. You do want to make sure that your oil is 350 degrees. Okay, that should go for probably 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure. Okay, see it floated back to the top just then, so it's not sticking on the bottom. I'm thinking I can get 2 in. I'm thinking I can only do 1, but let's do that again. Ready? Okay, stick that all the way down in. You want to make sure you get it all the way around that hot dog. I'm going to stick it in there like that. Okay, use my finger on that one. The next ones I'll fill the glass up a little bit more. Okay, let's get that in there. I think this one here is done. It's got a nice golden color to it. Set that right up here. do you think of that? All right, so now I've got these, I don't know what you call them, shoestring potatoes. Let's just put those right in there and see how they do. Paper towels. The next batch in. You know it's going to boil up. All right. Couple minutes on those. All right, got the potatoes done, and guess what? We got some of this batter left, so let's just make some little what do they call them? Hush puppies. All right, these are looking nice and golden. I think they're done. Floating pretty good. There you go. Look at that. Got our fries, we got our hush puppies. Look at that. And look at these corn dogs, New Mexican style. Right, there you go, corn dogs. My Blackstone side burner that I added. Did a hush puppy, did some fries with that Rotato Potato. So, New Mexican corn dog. This has cream corn, green chilies in it. I'm not going to put any ketchup or anything on it, but you can put mustard. I'm just going to take a taste like this, see how it is. Now that's a corn dog. That batter is amazing. Here's my little hush puppy. It's all batter. Yeah. Done all the way through. My fries. Okay, thanks for watching. New Mexican corn dogs. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Mondays and Thursdays. Come on back.